Mizoram General Knowledge Question, Part 3. Pawhchhiat became Mizoram's first archaeological protected site in the year 2012. When was the second State Assembly of Mizoram held? 1989. First session of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly, 1972. The first monthly newspaper, Mizo Lo was published by J. Shakespeare. First monthly newspaper Mizo Lo first newspaper Mizo Chanchin Laisui. What is the Tlong River known as in Assam? Dhaleshwari River. Which is the international boundary river between India and Myanmar? Jiao River in Champhai district. Which district is Palak Lake? The largest lake in Mizoram located, Saiha district. Largest lake, Palak Lake. Mizoram got statehood on 20 February 1987. The final phase of clearance of the weeds in the Mizoedu cultivation is called Pawhchhiat. The first phase of clearance of weeds in Mizoedu cultivation is called Hnuhpui. First phase to Hnuhpui, chuan final phase ka Pawhchhiat. Hlo dan Hnuhpui, Hnuhhram, athial, Thual, Pawhchhiat. Pawhchhiat ka final phase. In Mizo society, men carry loads by using darbak. The first census conducted in Mizoram was in the year 1901. Chem Shalal literally means Torot Takalal. Chong Tinleri Puantana is located at Buannel. In Mizo mythology, a tall tree standing at the center of the earth is called Thing Van Tong. A Mizo ceremony in order to yield productive zooming cultivation is called Fanaudoi. The Mizo name given to the month of January is Pawhchhiat. At the Lushai expedition 1871–72, the right column was headed by General Brownlow. The first Bara Bazaar in Mizoram was started by H.W.G. Cole. Compulsory taxes given to the chief by the people in early Mizo society were Fatang and Satchia. Pasal Cha carrying gunpowder with Funki. In which year Mizo contingent went to Europe for British transporter popularly known by the Mizo as French Ramkal or German Daru 1917.